In the aftermath of the dinosaurs' reign, a new lineage emerged, silently claiming their place in the ever-changing tapestry of life. Prepare to be astonished as we unveil the captivating story of a group of creatures that stepped into the spotlight after the extinction of their towering predecessors. Delve into a world where ancient crocodile-like predators held sway, adapting and thriving in a world without dinosaurs. Sebecidae, a fascinating group of ancient reptiles, can be classified into various subfamilies. These subfamilies exhibit distinct characteristics and evolutionary traits. In terms of physical features, they display a range of unique anatomical adaptations. Their morphology includes elongated snouts, robust jaws, and sharp teeth, reminiscent of modern crocodiles. Furthermore, they exhibit significant variation in size among different species, with some individuals reaching impressive lengths while others remain relatively smaller. The distribution of Sebecidae fossils provides valuable insights into their past geographic range. Fossil records indicate that they inhabited various regions during prehistoric times. Their remains have been found in South America, particularly in Argentina and Brazil, suggesting a predominantly South American distribution. These fossils are typically recovered from ancient sedimentary deposits that were once part of a diverse array of paleo-environments. They inhabited a range of habitats, including freshwater systems, estuaries, and coastal regions. The study of their paleo-environmental context helps us understand their habitat preferences and the ecological niches they occupied. Here's a thought-provoking question for you. How did the Sebecidae family evolve over time to adapt to their changing environment? Studies suggest that they emerged during the late Cretaceous period and persisted until the Paleogene epoch. They are believed to have evolved from more basal crocodiliform ancestors and subsequently diversified into different lineages. The exact phylogenetic placement of Sebecidae within the crocodiliform tree is still a subject of ongoing research and debate. During their evolutionary history, these dinosaurs experienced significant adaptations and diversification. They developed unique anatomical features, such as elongated snouts and sharp teeth, likely indicative of specialized feeding strategies. These adaptations likely allowed them to exploit a wide range of ecological niches and prey items. The link between the Sebecidae and other crocodiliform groups has left its imprint on evolutionary history. They have several traits in common with both living crocodiles and extinct crocodiliforms, which highlights their place as an evolutionary intermediary within the lineage of crocodiles. Their separation from other crocodiliforms took place at a period of profound ecological upheaval, and it is possible that they developed distinctive characteristics as a result of the ever-shifting environmental conditions and the intensifying demands of competition. How did the Sebecidae's diet differ from their dinosaur predecessors, and what made their preferences so distinctive? We will answer this question in a while. Make sure to stick till the end. Researchers have been able to deduce the eating routines and diets of these organisms by analyzing their anatomical traits. Sebecidae are thought to have been carnivorous predators because of their extended snouts and pointed teeth, which indicate that they were able to capture and consume a wide range of food. The robustness of their jaws and the intensity of their bite suggest that they have adapted for fierce and effective hunting. It is possible that they were capable of both walking on land and swimming in water when it came to their mode of movement. Their limbs were well adapted for both walking on land and pushing themselves through water, giving them a distinct advantage in both environments. Because of their adaptability in terms of movement, it is likely that they were able to live in a variety of various settings, such as river systems, marshes, and coastal locations. What ecological interactions allowed the Sebecidae to thrive and establish their dominance in the post-dinosaur world? Watch till the end to learn more about it. In addition, the interactions of Sebecidae with other species within past ecosystems may be deduced from fossil data due to the fact that these relationships have been preserved. Some of these interactions may include a predatory connection with a smaller vertebrate, such as fish, amphibians, or even a tiny dinosaur. The discovery of their remains in certain fossil assemblages provides evidence of their function as top predators within the ecosystems in question. Top predators have a vital role in determining the trophic dynamics of an ecosystem and having a considerable impact on the populations of other animals. They have been discovered to have left behind fossils in a number of different places, most notably in South America during the Cretaceous and Paleogene eras when they were at their most successful. The Gran Barranca in Argentina is an important fossil site because it has produced a diverse collection of Sebecidae fossils throughout the course of its history. During excavations at this location, a large number of skeletal remains that were in quite good condition were discovered. These bones included entire skulls, mandibles, and postcranial parts. Because of these fossils, scientists have been able to undertake in-depth anatomical examinations, which have enabled them to recreate the morphology and evolutionary adaptations. The discovery of the species, known as Dinosaurus arveloi in Venezuela, is also notable and was made in that country. This specific specimen, which was distinguished by its large skull and strong teeth, significantly contributed to our understanding of the variety and size variation that exists within them. What cataclysmic forces reshaped the world, triggering the downfall of these once mighty predators? Stick till the end to learn more about it. In addition to this, the investigation of these fossils has led to an improved comprehension of the functioning of ecosystems that existed in the past. The extinction of these dinosaurs signals the end of their lineage and has prompted fascinating questions about the reasons that led to their decline and eventual removal from the fossil record. This event also marked the end of the lineage. Despite the fact that the precise reasons for their demise are still unknown, several suggestions have been put up to explain what happened. It is possible that changes in the environment, such as variations in temperature or the loss of habitat, may have had a part in the fall of Sebecidae. This is one of the possibilities. It is possible that the availability of adequate habitats and prey resources for Sebecidae was influenced throughout the Paleogene era when ecosystems underwent modifications. This, in turn, may have had an effect on their capacity to survive. It is possible that competition with other reptile taxa, such as early crocodiles and mammals, was another factor that led to their demise. What other reason led to the ultimate demise of the Sebecidae and brought an end to their reign as formidable predators in the prehistoric era? There is a possibility that ecological stresses and the appearance of new predators led to a reduction in the available niche space for them, which in turn led to the decline and ultimate extinction of this family. In spite of the fact that they became extinct, the Sebecidae family's influence may still be seen in the evolutionary history of crocodilians living today. They are a key branch within the crocodiliform tree, displaying singular adaptations and diversity throughout their time on Earth. Researchers are able to get a better understanding of the evolution of crocodilians as a whole by focusing their attention on the anatomical characteristics and evolutionary connections of the Sebecidae family. In addition, the fossil record of Sebecidae has supplied important data that has contributed to our understanding of past ecosystems and the relationships that existed between the various species. Their function as apex predators in the ecosystems of the past has left an indelible mark on the ecological dynamics of those eras.